This GoHighLevel sales system calls your leads, follows up relentlessly, and books appointments without me even touching it. In fact, it's probably better at following up than most sales teams. And in this video, I'm going to prove it. Better yet, I'm just going to give you this entire GoHighLevel sales system for free. So by the end of the video, you'll be able to install it, customizing it, and start using it in your business today. Let me show you how it works. So this truly is the fully automated sales system with HighLevel. We have an automation. We then have an AI chatbot that's going to answer. It'll call. It'll then send the invoice. And it's literally as easy as just setting up custom values. And you can set it up literally in seconds. And this entire system that I'm showing you right now, I'm going to give it to you for free. And in this video, show you how to set it up lightning quick. But before I even do this, I need to break down how this entire sales system works from a high level so you get exactly what you're getting into. Because this could potentially change your sales system forever. So first off, let me explain exactly how this entire system works step by step. So it all starts with the lead. So when a new lead comes in to this exact sort of system, okay, they're first going to get sent an email. And yes, you could use text message or WhatsApp, but it's specifically built right now for email. So the lead comes in and they immediately get sent an email. From there, we immediately have an AI chatbot start going back and forth to them, because the problem with just automating all the emails is it looks like a template you're sending, which does get sketchy because if someone goes, "What is this? Why are you calling me?" And then it goes, "Hello, how are you? Book the call." Like, it's just stupid. And a lot of people are still doing this. Old way of thinking. We don't want to do that. We want to work smarter, not harder. So that's where the AI chatbot kicks in and has sentient, real sales conversations with the leads that are responding. From there, okay, from this automation that's kicking off, the AI chatbot's whole goal is to book them on a calendar. And again, guys, this whole system is already set up. Once we go through, it books them on the calendar. The next goal is to have the outbound AI voice agent, not the inbound, but the outbound, the one that calls, to call your lead and pitch them on your service. That's why we even have that invoice automation, so it can trigger and send them the invoice of your choosing to sell them. So obviously, this is only going to work as good as you set it up. And this system is built to be fully automated. Leads come in, you literally get more meetings, more deals. Okay, again, that's not a guarantee, but that's how simple this entire process is. So again, quick recap so you exactly understand. Your leads come in, email goes out, AI chatbot goes to book appointment, then the appointment leads to the AI voice agent calling them. Not you calling, but the AI voice agent. And we set this entire thing up so we can absolutely automate the shit out of it. So without further ado, let's jump in to setting up this entire system lightning quickly. And if you have any questions during this video, please drop them down below. Please. Okay, I want this to be a learning experience. The faster I can answer your question personally down below, if you look at my videos, I answer all of them, the sooner you're going to learn how this works. So do not hesitate to go, "Hey, how did this work?" Or, "Hey, you could add this," or, "Hey, whatever you want, put it in the comments down below." All right, so as I said before, it starts with the automation. It's then going to go into this exact email AI chatbot. Then it's going to go through to the AI voice agent, which again is going to send them all the stuff they need. That's how simple this is. But here's the cool part, because I took a ton of time to set this up. Okay, this wasn't just something I slapped together in seconds. This took a very long time. And the cool part about this is I've made it as simple as possible using, you guessed it, custom value. These are awesome. If you don't know what these are, drop a comment down below and I can explain or send you a tutorial. But really quickly, I'm going to break these down. These are basically placeholders where when you fill one out, it pre-populates across the board. So if we come to, the AI voice agent or the AI chatbot or any of these, you'll see we have a lot of custom values in here. It's already all set up. You see this? So when we fill out these, it's going to go across the board and fill out in the automation, the AI chatbot, the AI voice agent. It's all already in there to be as quick and easy to set up as possible. And guys, if you understand custom values and you understand this is really hard, you will appreciate how much time this took me to build, because AI can't just bust this stuff out for you. It's tricky. But if you're more of a beginner, just know that this took a ton of time to try to speed up this process. So all we need to do, okay, very simply, is fill those custom values out and then test. Without further ado, let's go in and let's do it. So we're going to come right in here and we're just going to fill each of these out. So first one is client industry. We're going to come right in here. We're going to click these three dots and then we're going to click edit. And very simply, you're going to put in the client industry. What is that? Let's say we're going after plumbers. We're going to click update. And then right here, you will see very simply, plumbers is now the value. So anywhere where that exact custom field was, it is going to then say plumber. So it now knows, okay, we're going after plumbers. And that's reflected across all of these sales assets very simply. Pain number 1, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to click these 3 dots and we're going to edit it. What is the pain that they are feeling? Not enough leads, okay? Very simply, very straightforward, but we'll even put not enough plumber leads, and then we're going to click update. Boom, right there. Pain has been solved. Then we move on to pain number 2, okay? We're going to say losing out on sales because we have follow up. And guys, what these are is these are the services you are going to be pitching them. Okay. Again, you should already know what you're selling. If you don't, you're going to have to go do that pre-work because otherwise this is not going to make any sense to you at all. But it's like if you're selling SEO, you put in the exact pains and then the result that someone selling SEO would have. Does that make sense? That's the way you want this to go. Then pain number 3, very simply, we're going to do the same thing and we're going to add it in. For this one, we're going to do not ranking Google business. And the AI knows how to spin this up. That's the beautiful thing. It's not going to say not ranking on Google. Like it's not going to say that. It's going to be more dialed. Then you can click update again. And then last but not least, we're going to do primary result. We're going to come right here. We're going to click these 3 dots and we're going to click edit. What is the primary result? We're just going to fill in what we did. More leads, more follow up, ranking number 1, Google. We're going to click update and boom, we are now done. These custom values are going to get reflected across all of different automations. Now for this and for this is very important. Okay. If we click this and we come in here, we're going to do outbound AI voice. We're going to have to add this in. You're going to have this set up. If you do not know how this works, I'm going to be linking a tutorial at the end of this one that's going to show you exactly how to set up and enable the outbound caller. So what the outbound caller is, it's basically you have to go through verification steps for you to be able to call businesses. Okay. Any AI voice agent can technically call other leads. It's not like you make a new agent. We already have that agent built right here. It's already done for you, but you have to go in and you have to enable outbound properly to get this to work. And you can click this right here and it's going to take you exactly to this page where you're going to update and go through the entire process. But don't worry, I'm linking that video at the end of this tutorial so you know exactly what to do step by step. It's very simple. It is not hard at all. You just want to get verified with the business information, which in your case would be your agency. So once you do that, you have that set up. You then just toggle this on to publish and then you're good to go. It's not hard at all. And then last but not least, you're going to want to make sure you pick whatever invoice you have to make this entire thing work. Now you could just add this into this or the AI chatbot. But the new trigger would be like outbound call finished. Again, you have to set that up first in order to get that to work. But once that's set up, everything is done. This is really the simplest process once you get started. Because again, the custom values are everywhere. Like they're literally everywhere in this process. We've set it all up and the AI knows how to pull from it and use it in the right way. Again, we already have this all dialed in. It's already all set up, published and good. So now once you have it all set up and you're like, okay, I like this. It's all looking good. You now need to move on to the next part, which is test. So turn the workflows on, test the workflow, pick the contacts, come into the AI chatbot, go to bot training, just like this. Start asking it questions. So once you set up this stuff, you are then good to go throughout this entire process. Everything is looking perfect. Again, you want to test this. You want to go through and legitimately test everything. I have other videos on how to properly test, but that is the next step. Always test. From here, if you're running into any issues going through this and you're like, something is not exactly working, one of the simplest ways to fix is go to business profile and make sure this is entirely filled out properly. Very important. See, I don't have this filled out, so it's not going to work. Because these also pull from that, custom fields and whatnot, and regular fields, and they go and pre-populate. These actually have custom values as well. So this needs to all be set up as well. I'm assuming you have that filled out for your sub account, but just in case you don't, please go and add that in, because otherwise you're going to run into some issues and you're going to be like, what is going on? Why is this happening? And so please go through, fill all this out, because that is going to be very important for this to work properly. From there, you're pretty much good to go. It's just you going through, making sure everything is on and testing everything. Okay, this is so important. I'm going to say this one last time. You need to test all of this. You have to. You can't just immediately set it up and expect it to work miracles, because sometimes it's going to be a problem where you have to tweak your name, you have to tweak a couple things, your offer, and then it works flawlessly. You also have to set up the outbound. From there, this system is done and you're pretty much good to go. So it is that simple. I've made it to be a simple set it and forget it system. So if you guys are interested in all of these amazing assets, the exact automation, okay, the exact email AI chatbot we've set up, the exact AI voice agent I've set up, okay? And these exact automations and all this amazing stuff that you can set up very fast. It is all free right down below with the 30-day free trial link, which you also get access to my entire community for signing up with. Yes, you don't have to pay for this if you're using high level under me, okay? I could be selling this for a couple $1,000s very easily, but I want to give it to you for free, okay? The way you can get into this community is literally just by signing up with a 30-day free trial. And if you do already have high level, just upgrade with the upgrade link or use the other link if you're fully upgrading and whatnot. It'll kind of show you an alternate way. But guys, this community is absolutely amazing. I'm not going to go too much into this right now. But we have all of the places you can possibly network. We have all of the trainings. We have a lot more systems just like this that are all built out. Okay, I mean, client getting systems, snapshots, AI prompts, sales scripts, even Dominic Baptist bonus. We have everything, more than anyone else is offering. But most importantly, we have a ton of different live calls. Yes, calls with me where you can legitimately talk to me, go over stuff, ask questions. We post wins. We do all kinds of amazing stuff on this call. And the best part is, guys, it's free. We also have all these other calls so you can help get clients, help with sales, how to get clients advanced, like running ads, learning high level, help with high level, help with A2P, and then building high levels. All of this, guys, it's free right down below with that exclusive 30-day free trial link. You can also message me whenever you want, but no one else is doing this, guys. Like, I want you to know that. Like, when people come into this group, and you can see by the testimonials we have down below, when people come into this group, they are blown away. The amount of people and the amount of comments, questions, and posts I get in this community of people being like, how did I not find this sooner? This is way better than what anyone else is giving. There are people that even say it's better than the $20,000, $30,000 mastermind they bought. Yes, it is literally the best community. Again, the testimonials prove it down below, but it's also, we give away more than anyone else because I actually care about your success. I also want it to be risk-free. That's why I have this 30-day free trial. If you hate it after 30 days, you can leave. Also, if you have any burning questions, you can always message me in the right-hand corner whenever you want, and I can get that taken care of. So guys, again, if you want access to all of these amazing assets plus everything in my community, the 30-day free trial is right down below. But other than that, guys, okay, if you have any questions, drop them down below. We're now going to go into setting up the AI Outbound voice caller, which is really important. That video is going to pop up in a second, and you really need to watch it because a lot of people don't know how to get verified. It's going to show you exactly how to do that, okay, right in here, and it's going to walk you through it step by step, and that video is going to pop up in a second. So seriously, guys, thank you so much for watching, and watch the video that pops up right now.